Ready to explore more ways to make money online? In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is e-commerce management. Many entrepreneurs need help running their online stores, and that's where you come in. As an e-commerce manager, you'll handle product listings, inventory, and customer orders. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which are widely used for online stores. Many businesses pay $20 to $50 per hour for e-commerce management services, depending on the complexity of the tasks. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses that need help managing their online stores. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is graphic design. Businesses and individuals are always looking for eye-catching visuals for their brands, websites, and social media. As a graphic designer, you'll create logos, posters, and other visual content. Start by mastering tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $25 to $150 per project, depending on the complexity and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering designs that align with their brand. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance, or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching others online. As an online tutor, you'll help students learn and achieve their goals. Start by identifying your area of expertise and creating a profile on platforms like VIPKid or Chegg Tutors. Many tutors earn $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and their experience. To get started, offer your services on tutoring platforms or create your own courses on platforms like Udemy. With consistent effort, this skill can become a rewarding source of income. Fourth is online surveys. While not a traditional skill, completing online surveys can be a simple way to earn extra cash. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions on products and services. Start by signing up for reputable survey platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Many users earn $50 to $200 per month, depending on the time they invest. To maximize your earnings, focus on platforms that offer higher payouts and bonuses. While this won't replace a full-time income, it's a great way to earn some extra money in your spare time. Finally, let's talk about project management. Businesses need skilled professionals to oversee projects and ensure they're completed on time and within budget. As a project manager, you'll coordinate teams, set timelines, and track progress. Start by learning tools like Trello or Asana, which are widely used for project management. Many businesses pay $30 to $100 per hour for project management services, depending on the scope of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to businesses that need help managing their projects. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose e-commerce management, graphic design, online tutoring, online surveys, or project management, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.